What's up everyone, Hero here from First Timers. Welcome to the tech series of our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a microphone set. So if you guys watch our live streams, I've been using, like, sometimes you'll hear me echo or I sound far away. I was using a camera which comes with a mic, and that one sounded the worst. I mean, I use it now for a camera, just the camera only, and I was using a headset for the mic, which I don't like because I don't like having something on my head while I'm trying to like play or do things. So on Prime Day, purchased one of these. The key things that stood out to me was the mount, where it just clips onto the desk. It's USB and it's compatible with Windows. So yeah, and it has a high sampling rate. So I'm gonna get to the unboxing and I'll talk more about this while I'm doing the unboxing. All right, let's get to it. Woo!
Alright, we're looking at the microphone set. It's from Sudotack. The model number is ST800 USB condenser podcasting microphone set. Alright, let's just get to the unboxing.
What made me purchase this was, after comparing with a bunch of other microphone sets, this one got a 4.5 stars out of 5 and like over 1,000 reviews, so that's a pretty good sign that this is good. And again, it comes with a user manual, but I'll probably figure this out later. I'll try to do it without the manual, you know how we do.
So what I'm holding in my hand right now is called the pop filter. It's built pretty sturdy, has a lot of resistance, pretty quality part, I'd say. And now I'm looking at the anti-wind foam cap. Probably not going to use it since it's going to be indoors and there's no wind in here, but I'll just keep it just in case.
I'm just going to put this back on here.
So here's the mic in all its glory. It's pretty good. I mean, everything's sturdy, nothing's loose. Everything looks professionally made. The bottom here has a USB A to B port, and it comes with the cable included in this package.
Don't eat these. Here's the cable. This connects to the computer. This connects to the mic. Here's the mounting bracket. This goes to the edge of my desk, and I can't wait to hook this up. But feels good. Sturdy. There's a little soft pad here so it doesn't score up your desk. Wish it had one here, but I guess since it already has one here, it doesn't matter. Not sure what this is. Oh, okay. So this is to put the mount in, which is here. It's good.
So this is the shock mount. This will attach to the microphone stand and house the microphone in it. And it's pretty good quality. It looks like it would only fit this size mic. I was hoping that maybe if I upgrade one day that it's adjustable, but it looks like it's only meant for these size mics. But it's not too big of a problem. I'm happy with this right now.
So, looks pretty easy to install. There's that part that goes into here, like so. So this thing, as you just seen, comes with a pop filter, shock mount, table clamp, anti-wind foam cap, a USB A to B cable. It's compatible with Mac OS and Windows. Of course, I'm using a Windows computer. And you can actually use this for a mobile phone too. but the adapter, you will need an adapter which is not included in this kit. I'm not going to be using it for my phone. And right now you're hearing my voice. Oh, by the way, here's the mic that I was usually using. Here's the camera portion, and there's the mic. So this serves pretty well as a camera, but not with the function of a mic and camera. So that's the reason why I was using my headset, but I don't like that either.
Stay tuned till the end. I'll be doing a sound comparison between the Sudotack microphone and the Logitech headset that I've been using, so you guys can see the difference or hear the difference for yourself. All right, you guys, here, it took me a little bit, but here it is. So I didn't use the instructions, but I did take a glance at it after I was done just to see if there was anything useful in it. It just pretty much talks about the specs, what frequency it responds in, polar response, stuff that I don't really understand or really care for. It does say one thing though that I actually made a mistake on, was if you see here where the brand is Sudotack, that needs to be facing you. So I had originally had it actually in the back side because I didn't know if it mattered. I thought both sides didn't matter, but the back side will actually reduce any noise coming from the back side of this mic. It will actually cancel out, so it only will catch your voice in this section here. So definitely you need to have this pointing towards you, and that's one thing that I saw just by looking at the manual. But other than that, it was pretty self-explanatory. The mount, the stand goes into there. You lock this mount onto the desk. Here's the pop filter. You're supposed to have this about 4 fingers distance, or about like a fist. I see some people do a fist distance. And then you're supposed to be about 6 inches away from the mic. So you'll be seeing the sound test later on in this video, and I'm going to compare this with the Logitech headset, so stay tuned for that. This is a mic test using the Logitech headset. I'm speaking at my normal volume that I would usually be in. This is a test of the Sudotack microphone. I'm speaking at the normal volume that I would usually be in. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave that in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And on the bottom right of the screen, make sure to hit that subscribe. Hey, stay connected with us. Make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The links are down in the description. You know, we usually put our updates on there, projects, whatever we're working on. We'll put stories, pictures, and whatnot, memes, funny stuff. So yeah, make sure to follow us there. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. All right, peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.